Hey y'all, it's Brianna, and in today's video, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about dry brushing, why you should maybe or maybe not try it, and some of the myths that I have learned about it. What I'm going to be using is this dry natural bristle brush that I got from Amazon in a 2-pack. It was only like $7. The link will be in the description. As you can see, I'm starting at my feet and I'm in the shower, obviously without the water running because it's called dry brushing for a reason. But I'm in the shower just to make sure that all of the dead skin falls in the shower and it's not just like on the floor. Okay, so basically, first of all, I want to give a disclaimer that I am not a professional, okay? I just research stuff and I try it out and I show y'all, so don't take it as medical advice. And also be careful if you have sensitive skin because you don't want to irritate it even more. So first, I will tell you guys the 2 things that dry brushing does do for you, and that is that it makes your skin more radiant and bright, and it also can increase blood flow, which will ultimately give you energy, give you a burst of energy. But there are some myths about dry brushing, which includes that it helps with digestion, gets rid of cellulite, and that it drains lymphatic fluids. I researched this after I learned about it, and technically none of these things have been scientifically proven. You see me doing a certain technique, which is brushing towards my heart, because that's what they said that you should do in order to help the draining of the lymphatic fluids. But now I've learned that that's not scientifically proven. So I don't know, I still did it just in case. But the main purpose of dry brushing would be to just exfoliate your skin and make sure that you're getting those dead skin layers off. But I'm still showing you guys the process. I'm just going through my whole body, going up my arms, up my legs, making sure I don't miss a spot, getting my underarms and things like that. So after you are done dry brushing, you want to make sure that you shower to rinse off the dead skin and make sure you are moisturizing to add back that softness. And that's pretty much how I do it. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.